Hello students, I am Ms. Shah from Kankoli College, Kankoli. In today's lecture, we'll see about the population growth. In the last lecture, we have seen about population, that is with introduction, and also with natality, mortality, sex ratio, and that is realized mortality, absolute mortality, realized natality, absolute natality. Then we have seen the age distribution and age pyramid. Today we will see about the population growth. Now the size of a population for any species is a dynamic parameter. Now why is the population is known as the dynamic parameter? Because it goes on changing, because of it goes on changing from time to time, because population is not static or it is not stable, it changes from time to time. So because of this reason, because of this changing nature of the population, it is called as a dynamic parameter. It depends on various factors including food, predation, pressure, and adverse weather. That means this population, it is it is dependent on various factors. It as it goes on changing, population goes on changing from time to time. Because why it goes on changing? Because it is dependent on various factors, that is various resources like food, shelter, or predation pressure on the prey, and also the adverse weather or the climatic or environmental factors also play an important role in the growth of the population. In population growth, density of population in a habitat during a given period fluctuates due to changes in four basic processes. Now, how this population growth change takes place? Which are the four main factors which are responsible for the change in the population growth? So, we'll see that. That is, first is the natality. It is denoted by B. Why it is denoted by B? Because natality is nothing but the birth rate, so it is denoted as B. Then second is the mortality. Mortality, it is nothing but the death rate of the population, so it is denoted by D, capital D. Then immigration is a new term for you. That is immigration, it is denoted by capital I. We'll see in detail in the next slide. Then fourth one is the immigration, that is it is denoted by capital E. Now this immigration and immigration, these are the two words or two terms which are quite confusing. But when you come to know about the what is immigration or what is immigration, your confusion will be clear. So natality, mortality, immigration, and immigration, these are the four factors or four basic processes which brings the changes in the density of the population in a habitat. Now first we'll see the immigration. Why immigration? Because mortality and natality you have seen in the last lecture, in the that is in the population topic, population point. Now we'll see the immigration and immigration. First, you should know that natality means birth rate and mortality means death rate of a population. Now we'll see the immigration. Now what is immigration? Immigration, that is it is denoted by capital I, is the number of individuals of the same species that have come into the habitat from elsewhere during the time period under consideration. Now immigration means what? In simple words, इमिग्रेशन म्हणजे एका एरियामध्ये दुसऱ्या एरियामधली ऑर्गॅनिझम जर आले असतील तर त्याला म्हणतात इमिग्रेशन. न फॉर एक्झाम्पल, एक विलेज आहे आणि एक सिटी आहे. त्या सिटीमध्ये जर समजा विलेजमधली माणसं जर आली असेल तर त्याला म्हणतात इमिग्रेशन. म्हणजे सिटीमधली माणसं ही वाढणार, कारण विलेजमधली माणसं ही सिटीमध्ये आलेली असेल तर त्याला म्हणतात इमिग्रेशन, आणि त्याच्यामुळे सिटीमध्ये माणसं ही वाढतात म्हणजे पॉप्युलेशन इन्क्रीज होणार. दॅट इज बिकॉज ऑफ इमिग्रेशन. म्हणून इमिग्रेशन जे आहे तो पॉझिटिव्ह इम्पॅक्ट आणतो पॉप्युलेशनवर. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, people coming from villages to cities make city population denser. Then next we'll see immigration. What is immigration? Immigration is the number of individuals of the population who left the habitat during the time period. Sorry, इथे spelling mistake आहे. That is of immigration. Immigration is the number of individuals of the population who left the habitat during the time period. That is, it is opposite of immigration. Now opposite of immigration means, immigration म्हणजे काय, दुसरीकडची माणसं एका जागेवरती आली असतील तर, म्हणजे विलेजमधली माणसं सिटीमध्ये आली असतील तर त्याला म्हणतात इमिग्रेशन. आणि जर समजा सिटीमधली माणसं विलेजमध्ये गेली असतील, म्हणजे एका एरियामधून दुसऱ्या एरियामध्ये गेली असतील तर त्याला म्हणतात इमायग्रेशन, म्हणजे ती दुसरीकडे गेलेली आहेत त्याला म्हणतात इमायग्रेशन एका ठराविक टाईम पिरियडमध्ये. दॅट इज इमायग्रेशन. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, people leaving villages to come in cities make village population less dense. That is the example of immigration. म्हणजे इमायग्रेशन जो आहे तो एक निगेटिव्ह इम्पॅक्ट आणतो पॉप्युलेशनवरती, कारण इथे इमायग्रेशनमुळे पॉप्युलेशन ही कमी होते. ॲज लाईक द मॉर्टॅलिटीमध्ये डेथ होते, डेथ रेट, इट शोज द डेथ रेट. पण इमायग्रेशन एका पॉप्युलेशन एरियामध्ये जी पॉप्युलेशन आहे तिथून पॉप्युलेशन कमी होणार. सो इट इज कॉल्ड ॲज द इमायग्रेशन. Now you can see here one diagram showing that is the population density. In the center it is showing population density, that is it is denoted by capital N, and you can see four factors here: natality, mortality, immigration and immigration. Now you can see here natality it is denoted by capital B and तिथे प्लस साईन दाखवलेली आहे. वाय इट इज शोन एज प्लस? बिकॉज नॅटॅलिटी म्हणजे बर्थ रेट, पॉप्युलेशन डेन्सिटी ही वाढते नॅटॅलिटीमुळे. आणि ऑपोजिटला त्याला मॉर्टॅलिटी आहे. इट इज कम्प्लिटली अपोजिट टू नॅटॅलिटी. मॉर्टॅलिटी इट इज डिनोटेड बाय कॅपिटल डी and it is showing minus sign. Why it is showing minus sign? Because it shows the death rate, म्हणजे इथे पॉप्युलेशन डेन्सिटी ही कमी होते मॉर्टॅलिटीमुळे. देन विल सी द इमिग्रेशन अँड इमायग्रेशन. इमिग्रेशन वर्डचं जे आहे, इमिग्रेशन दॅट इज डिनोटेड बाय कॅपिटल आय अँड इट इज शोईंग प्लस साईन. इमिग्रेशन म्हणजेच काय, पॉप्युलेशन डेन्सिटी ही वाढणार कारण दुसरीकडची माणसं ही आलेली असतात, त्याला म्हणतात इमिग्रेशन. सो इट इज शोईंग प्लस साईन अँड इट शोज द पॉझिटिव्ह इम्पॅक्ट ऑन द एन्व्हायरमेंट. देन त्याला अपोजिट आहे खाली, दॅट इज कॉल्ड ॲज द इमिग्रेशन. इमिग्रेशन इट इज डिनोटेड बाय कॅपिटल ई अँड इट इज शोईंग मायनस साईन बिकॉज इमिग्रेशनमध्ये पॉप्युलेशन डेन्सिटी ही कमी होते, म्हणजे एकीकडची माणसं ही दुसरीकडे जातात, त्याला म्हणतात इमिग्रेशन. त्याच्यामुळे पॉप्युलेशन डेन्सिटी ही कमी होते अँड इट शोज द निगेटिव्ह इम्पॅक्ट ऑन द दॅट इज द एन्व्हायरमेंट. सो पॉप्युलेशन इन्क्रीजेस इफ नॅटॅलिटी इज मोर दॅन मॉर्टॅलिटी. म्हणजे ही पॉप्युलेशन इन्क्रीज केव्हा होणार, जेव्हा नॅटॅलिटी म्हणजे बर्थ रेट हा डेथ रेटपेक्षा जास्त असेल त्यावेळी पॉप्युलेशन हा इन्क्रीज होणार. देन पॉप्युलेशन डिक्लाइन्स वेन मॉर्टॅलिटी इज मोर दॅन नॅटॅलिटी. म्हणजे पॉप्युलेशन डिक्लाइन किंवा कमी कधी होणार, ज्यावेळी मॉर्टॅलिटी ही वाढलेली असणार नॅटॅलिटीपेक्षा, म्हणजे डेथ रेट हा वाढलेला असणार बर्थ रेटपेक्षा. Then new births and immigration contribute to an increase in population density. न्यू बर्थ म्हणजे इथे पॉप्युलेशन डेन्सिटी वाढते, नवीन बर्थ होतं आहे ऑर्गॅनिझमचा. आणि इमिग्रेशन म्हणजेच काय, दुसरीकडून माणसं आलेली असतात म्हणजे पॉप्युलेशन इथे वाढते. हे दोन्ही जे आहेत ते एक पॉझिटिव्ह इम्पॅक्ट दाखवतात एन्व्हायरमेंटवरती. सो इट शोज अ प्लस साईन. दोन्ही नॅटॅलिटी आणि इमिग्रेशन जे आहे ते प्लस साईन दाखवतात. दॅट मीन्स दे बोथ शो पॉझिटिव्ह इम्पॅक्ट, दॅट म्हणजेच इन्क्रीज इन पॉप्युलेशन डेन्सिटी. and death and immigration leads to decrease in population. Death म्हणजे that is the mortality rate, mortality आणि इमायग्रेशन म्हणजे दुसरीकडे माणसं गेलेली असतात त्याला म्हणतात इमायग्रेशन. त्याच्यामुळे पॉप्युलेशन डेन्सिटी ही कमी होते. सो इट लीड्स टू डिक्रीज इन पॉप्युलेशन. So if population density is denoted by n, capital N, time it is denoted by small t, natality is denoted by capital P, mortality it is denoted by capital D, immigration is denoted by capital I, immigration is denoted by capital E, then its density at time, that is t plus 1, can be calculated as, you can see the formula here, that is n, that is time at time t, that is time density at time, and it is given by formula n, that is the population density, plus in the larger bracket then we have the smaller bracket, that is b plus I, capital I. B plus I means, b means natality and I means immigration, and this both shows the positive impact. So both the positive impact are added, that is added here in the bracket, then bracket complete, minus d subtracted, minus d plus e. D plus e means both this d and e shows the negative impact on the environment, that is d means mortality, that is death rate, and e means immigration. So birth rate minus death rate. So that is the formula for the density at time to calculate the population growth. So I hope you have understood the point, that is population growth. Thank you.